Welcome to Ezlife. Today we will learn about how to use Ezlife digital thermometer. A box will include digital thermometer, battery and one storage case. In order to measure your body temperature, you need to follow some important instructions. First of all, take your device out from the box and then from the storage case. Then please open back plastic cap from behind and check if the battery is properly inserted. After checking battery status, press power button in front of the device. After pressing power button, display panel of the device will show some reading. Please note, if after pressing power button, display shows no reading or thermometer is not getting on, then you might need to either reinsert your battery or change it. After that, wait for 2-3 seconds and your device will show LO on its display panel. Only after that your device is ready for use. After your device shows LO on its screen, place front sensor tip in your mouth or in case of children, put it under their arms. After placing it under your tongue, please wait for the beep sound. And after the beep, please take it out. After taking thermometer out, your current body temperature will be shown on the display. Your body temperature would be shown in Fahrenheit and normal range of the temperature is 97 to 99 Fahrenheit. If your temperature is above 99, please go see your doctor. Your personal digital thermometer provides you precise measurements. Thank you for choosing Ezlife.